Success. Today we're going to do exercise 6. And in this exercise, you will be challenged to identify the present tense, the past tense, the future tense, or the present participle that you've been practicing in exercises 1 through 5. So now, try to remember what rules you learned through those other exercises to identify what tense each exercise is. For example, will jog. We could do this together. Will jog. If you recall, the word will is for the future tense. We use the word will to make it a future tense verb. The verb is still the base word, but we add will and it becomes future tense. Will jog. Now, the next word is healed. Healed. If you look at the clues again, we have the ed ending. Healed. If you recall, healed is going to be part of the past tense. Past tense. So you have to look at the clues to see what tense we are working with. Will jog is future tense. Healed is past tense. Explaining. Explaining. For number 3, we do have a clue. Explaining. We have the ing ending. Explaining is going to be the present participle. Okay, so explaining is the present participle. Empty. Empty. Is it present tense, past tense, future tense, or present participle? So in this case, it's going to be the present tense. And we could see that because there's no will, empty. So we know it's not future, will empty. There's no ed at the end to make it past tense. And there's no ing to make it present participle. So empty is present tense, which is actually just the base word empty. Grabbing. In number 5, we have a clue again. Grabbing. We have the ing. So grabbing is going to be the present participle. Again, grabbing is going to be the present participle. So now, you are going to be challenged with the following exercises. And please remember to practice saying the words so you could refine your accent and strengthen your pronunciation. Good luck.